Well, let's do a one-tank dive in this swimming hole with a metal detector and pinpointer. Not sure how good a quality of video I will capture because the visibility is terrible. Should have some fun. Thanks for joining me. That was miserable dive conditions. Wish I could have done more with the camera, but wasn't possible. I could only see about that far, and in other places I couldn't even see that distance. But let's see what we got. Fishing spoon, whole pile of pennies, $0.10, that might be a dime, hard to tell, beer cap, quarter, guess that's a nickel. Sinkers, yeah, let's check the other pocket. iPhone, seen way better days. Bolt, chased that around for a while. More beer caps, more pennies. That looked real good underwater. Thought I had a gold coin at first. I had one other thing here. I guess that's it.